I came across a book that I don't know how I feel about it. I came across this book and it was this is the book, okay. It was a Mary Poppins reimagining. A dark romance Mary Poppins, if you will. Sometimes reading fairy tale reimaginings can be a little emotionally confusing because of how we picture these stories and these characters. It's filled with childhood nostalgia. So when I come across movies or stories that were feel-good movies or stories from my childhood and they have a darker nature and are more adult, like Mary Poppins getting railed against a wall, what? And then things like this, I just can't. I don't know, I really enjoyed reading this book, but now I will never see Mary Poppins the same, ever.